these are the elevators at the Flight Event Center, I think, or it might not be, at Florida Aquarium in Tampa, Florida. These are Schindler 3300s from 2015-16. There was NanoSeptic there, but it was ripped off. Actually, this might be it's probably 2016. Sound open doors 3. It kind of has a NanoSeptic that's pretty much ripped off. Interior up. They have a set of 2 elevators tucked away, but then they have a single main elevator out in the open. It's mostly just events, like I said, though. Planning seems kind of poor. Go back down to 1. It's probably a bad idea installing 3300s in a busy place like an aquarium. It's a basic lightwood fake wood rim cab. It's 7 actually 3300s I've seen with this kind of cab. Actually, it's slightly different than the other set. Flak events are not flag, certificate. Back at 1. I think that goes outside. I think this is, yeah, just for the event center. Can I close it? No, that's gonna be it.